JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, cult leader Kevin Smith, believed to be dead following car crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The controversial leader of the Pathways International Restoration Kingdom Ministries, Kevin Smith, is believed to have died during a crash in St. Catherine a short while ago. A member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was badly injured in the crash. The Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit confirmed that a police service vehicle was involved in a collision near the Linseed bypass near Bogwalk this morning. Reports are that the pastor is unresponsive on the scene. It's understood Smith was being transferred to Kingston for questioning, following what's believed to be a human sacrifice at the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries. 2 people were found with their throats slashed when police were alerted to an alleged ritual at the church. Another person was reportedly shot and killed by the police when he attacked the security forces with a knife. The police had indicated that charges would be laid against Smith following the incident, where it's understood there were plans to sacrifice up to 144 people. According to a source, at least one person who was taken into custody had told the police that he was instructed to carry out the human sacrifice by Smith. Members of the police high command are on their way to the scene of the crash. We keep you updated. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.